Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video you are going to learn the definition of Playwright, and I will do the quick comparison of Playwright with Selenium and Cypress. Let us understand the word playwright. So this word playwright is originated from the theater. So a playwright writes a play for actor to perform. Similarly, our Playwright automation tool allows us to write automated actions and test for a web application and then execute those actions on the browser. Okay, I hope it is clear, and I have also mentioned about like what it is. So it is open source and cross browser automation library developed by the Microsoft. So it supports Chromium, Firefox and WebKit from one API. Okay, so in nutshell, Playwright is an open source browser automation and end-to-end testing framework developed by Microsoft, and it allows us to automate modern web application. You can automate any modern web application across Chromium, Firefox and WebKit using a single API. So now where does it stand compared to traditional tools? So that we will do the quick comparison in the next slide. But before that, we'll know like why teams switch. So because of these functionality, auto waiting, multi-tab, that we will know in the next slide. We will, when we do the comparison of Playwright with other tools in the market, which has ruled the IT automation, software automation world for several years. So we'll do the comparison of this Playwright with those tools, right? And why we consider Playwright is one of the leading automation tool nowadays. So these are the reason people are switching to Playwright. Auto waiting, multi-tab, multi-origin support and built-in test runner, beat old Selenium Cypress setup. Language support, first class TypeScript, JavaScript plus Python, Java and .NET bindings are available with the Playwright. Where it is used, end-to-end testing, API testing. This is a compatible tool and built-in support for all these web application API testing, visual regression and even controlled web scraping is possible through Playwright. This is the quick comparison. So I have just mentioned here. So why Playwright? So you can see all these features I have listed: auto waiting, cross browser parallel execution, what is API testing, network interceptor, multi-tab, authentication, state reuse, mobile emulation, language support, setup, complexity. So it gives all built-in support for all these features. Playwright gives all these support, right? So be it auto waiting, okay. But in Selenium, it is auto waiting is kind of manual waits. You have to use WebDriver wait and all that, okay. And in Cypress, it is partial. When it comes to cross browser, it by default support Chrome, Firefox, WebKit, and Selenium also it is possible through the WebDriver APIs, and Cypress only support Chrome. Parallel execution, native workers are there for your test to get to execute your test. And here in Selenium, if you want to do the parallel execution, you have to use Selenium Grid. And Cypress, it is paid. It is not that available for everyone to use. API testing built-in support is there for the API testing in Playwright. Here we are using the external library to support API testing in Selenium. We are using external in Cypress also. Network intercept native in Selenium, it is browser mobile, and it is partial in Cypress. Multi-tab, it is giving full support. Playwright gives full support. And here multi-tab is kind of complex, not partial, complex it is. So you have to use Java libraries, okay, Java API to and using list, and you can have those handles stored in the list, and then you can switch back to the different handles and come back to the previous ones. Here in Cypress, it is limited and auto state reuse. It is storage state is there in the Playwright. It is manual in Selenium. We can do that auth state reuse, but we have to store those variables in somewhere. All those session string or the variables, right? Which we want to use in the next session or something next. So authentication state reuse manual, and here in Cypress it is not. Mobile emulation, where it is giving the built-in support for the mobile emulation. emulation. And here in Selenium it is using apm and partial support is there in the Cypress. Language support, TS, TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, Java.NET, everything. Even Selenium also has multiple, Ruby, including Ruby and all, Java. And here it has JS only, JavaScript only with the Cypress. So setup complexity, nothing in the Playwright, npx and init, done. And you have to use the initialize the driver object and all that. Okay, driver instance, and using that web driver you can call the Selenium methods and all. It is simple in Cypress also. So this is the quick comparison, and I hope you have liked this. All right. So next is like setting up TypeScript plus Playwright environment, as I have shown you in my previous video. So what you have to do is like just go and give this. You just have to select the folder. Okay, so let us select the folder, test. Okay, test Playwright. It can be any folder. So whatever name you want to give for your project, you just give that name to that folder, create a folder with that name. And now since it is blank, right, so you want to install Playwright kind of setup, all structure. So it is possible with one click. You have to click here, manage first, and trust the folder. Okay, software trust, just close this and use control tilde, or just go to the run, and next to run there is a terminal. Just use terminal or control tilde. Okay, and here what you have to write is like npm node package manager init and Playwright. Okay, make sure Node.js is installed in your system and npm is also installed. Okay, otherwise you have to install the npm and Node.js before this executing this command. So once I execute this, okay, it will ask me whether you want to go with the TypeScript, okay, or JavaScript. So if it is selected already, just press enter. It is asking where to put your end-to-end test. You can change the folder name or just keep the test inside the tests folder. Okay, so I will press enter. Again, add a GitHub action workflow. If you want to go with the GitHub action workflow, just select the true, otherwise just press N and enter. I have selected true. Install Playwright browser can be done manually via npx Playwright install. If you want to just install it together with this initialization npm, you can do. Just give the true when press enter, and it is installing Playwright and all the browsers. Okay, so it is downloading the browser, and everything is set up for you. Okay, so this particular folder structure has been created by that command. So it has been Playwright has been initialized. It has got everything it needs to run or invoke the test or invoke the browser. Execute the test. Okay, so now inside this there will be example spec, right? So that you can run always with the npx command Playwright, and then just give test, and everything will be executed inside the test, being a default directory. Okay, so everything is there inside the test. If you want to just create multiple directories or subfolder inside the test, you can do that. You can organize your test based on the module. For now, if I run this, it will be running my test in headless mode. All right, so all these runners, because it is running the test on the Firefox, WebKit and the Chromium, all three browsers. So, and there will be two tests, okay, inside the spec file. One test, and this is the second test. So once it is executed, it will show you the status of that test run, whether it is passed or it is failed. So let's wait for it to and it has completed. Right now it is, let us see the report. It has confirmed. See, it does the job. 6 passed. Now using this npx command, you can always see the report, and it will be running your report in the localhost 9323 port. See, it has executed got executed on Chromium, Firefox. It has a report for all the tests it has executed, right? 2 tests on same browser, 2 tests on the same browser, altogether 6 tests with the 4 working workers. So this is how you can run the test. Okay, and in this video we have seen like what is the Playwright, and we did the quick comparison of the Playwright with Selenium and Cypress, and we also set up the Playwright, and we executed one test. Okay, so that's it for today's lecture, and hope if you found it useful, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lecture.